Hey guys, here we are at Andrea Jacobs' house. So we got a new system that we installed. Here's the stat. She wants to put a humidifier on this, so the only way we can do it is a steam humidifier. And the only place we could find is right here on the wall. So we're going to install a steam humidifier here. We're going to tie that either up here on top. I want it above the coil, or we'll go up into the attic and tie it into the ductwork up in the attic. So either way, so we're going to mount it here. There's an electrical panel here and a box here, but I think we may have to go out to the garage. There's a electric out in the garage. So if you go into the garage here, let's see, let me find the light. There we go. So I'm in the garage, and right here is an electric panel in the garage that we can get kind of breakers of these Murray breakers. So we may have to come from here and get some BX, and it looks like about 25 feet running over. Just run it along this wall over into the mechanical room, which is right behind here.
And it also depends on how hot your air is.
So the other thing we want to do is insulate all these pipes. So we're not going to do the T's and the elbows, but we're just going to do the main branches on all these pipes. You see you got them running over here. We're also going to get some duct wrap and hit these ends with duct wrap right here and right here on these ends. And I think that's about it. Probably gonna have to, oh, she wants, also if you guys can get some concrete and seal these openings up here, right there. And she said there's a little gap right here too that needs to happen. Let's see. I think that's about it. To give you an idea on insulation, again, look at it, you can see.
We sell them steam because we can't guarantee with like the record ones that are hit a target.
So this is all 1¼ pipe.
Where the steam we can.
And then over here, he does have some 3/4 pipe on the water heater that we could insulate. And down here.
Right, exactly. Yeah, no, it's not like that.
There's a piece back here. All right, appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
You won't really notice.